In this video, our interface design elements are mainly composed of icons, containers, text boxes, and image materials, and a bit of interaction is added to make each screen linked. Please join me to see how it works. First we select this container. Add an interaction. Select Path Navigation. Select the 6th page for the object. Select the movement method as slide. Then select a state change. Select the object. Replace with state 1 again. Perform a preview. Continue to add an interaction. Select state change. Select object. Preview again. In this page we select a page 5. Select this container. We copied it to page 6. Replace one more text box. Enter the text. Delete this. Select another icon. Drag out the icon. Resize the icon. Modify the icon color to white. Add another icon. Drag the icon out. Modify the icon size. Change its color to white. Select this icon again. We add an interaction. Select navigation. Add an object. Select this to add an interaction. Select state change. Select the object again. Make a preview. Modify again. Preview again. Adjust it again. Let's add another state. Select the object. After that we're selecting global for this. Add a state change. Select the object for itself. The state change is state 1. Preview again. Then we add another interaction. Select the state change. Select the object. Preview again. After that we add another container. Place it like this and resize it. Change the color to white. Finally add another shadow. Select the color. After that we add a container in this container. Adjust the size and position. After that, we add a container to this container. Resize it. Insert a blue. Then add a rounded corner. After that, insert a text box, type the text. Adjust the font size. Then insert another text box. Enter the text. Adjust the font size. Add an opacity of 80%. Replace its background color with white. Let's select another container to add. Modify the size of the container. Cancel the background color. Into this container we insert a container. Resize the container. Cancel its background color, add a one-dimensional model variable. Make a copy. Select another icon to insert. Drag the icon out. Modify the icon size. Then insert a text box. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Enter the text in order. Click Apply. Replace its text again. Choose an appropriate font size. After that, we will click this icon again. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add the item. Select the icon you want to insert. Drag the icon out. Copy the icon parameters. Drag out the icon. Perform the same operation. After that, select another icon. Add an icon. Drag it out. Resize the icon. Add an opacity of 70%. Then add a text box. Enter text first. Then select a font size. Add another 70% opacity. Let's click on this icon. We'll add an interaction to it. Select Path Navigation. Click on this icon. We add a state change to it. Select the object. Select the state. We preview again. Adjust again. Add a state change to this one. Select the object. Look at the state of this object. Preview it again. Done. Today we bring you the 7th part of the application build. The build is an event details project bar and content box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.